Why we convert low to high level? The main reason for this is if we want to transfer the supply at thousands of kilometers, 10,000 kilometers. I am giving you an example. Supply produced at this point A and we have to reach at point B. The distance between A and B is approximately 10,000 kilometers. Suppose यहाँ से हमने बॉम्बे तक सप्लाई लेके जाना है. Supply produced at Resagar Dam at Ramkot, but we take it to the Bombay and at any grids. Then we need to step up the transfer. Need to step up the voltage level. Mean if they produce 66 kV, or let us suppose they produce 33 kV. So we have to step up it into a 66 kV and we will transfer the power through a wires. आपने देखा होगा ट्रांसमिशन लाइन वायर, द वेरी लॉन्ग ट्रांसमिशन लाइन वायर, देखा ना? तो वो उसमें जो ट्रांसफार्मर अप्लाई होगा, that is step up transformer. This is clear to all of you. Why we use step up transformer? Why we use to increase the voltage? But in case of step down transformer, why was there is a need to step down transformer? Because of our daily supply. Daily supply work at 240 voltage. But the supply produced at the Resagar Dam or any other station where we get the supply, that is 66 kV. So we have to convert that supply. We have to load down that supply to 33 kV, 11 kV, then 440, then 240 voltage, so that our basic electrical appliances will work. So that's why there are two types of transformer. One is step up transformer, second is step down transformer. Both are employed for the AC voltage supply. Now this is the constructions of a simple transformer. This is a simple diagram. Here you see a soft iron core or steel core. We are using only two core for the transformer. One is soft iron core, the other is a steel core. Why we using these cores? Why we use these type of strips? Because they produce maximum losses. There are number of losses occurred in the transformer. तो losses को कम करने के लिए हमने एक particular metal use किया हुआ है. That is soft iron. उसमें losses कम होते हैं, masses losses कम होते हैं, eddy current losses कम होते हैं. So that's why we use soft iron core for the construction of a transformer. Then the transformer is bound with the laminated with the एक तो laminated किया steel core के साथ, फिर हमने wire के साथ bound कर दिया, and this is called primary winding. Similar way हमने secondary हमने इसको bound किया with the wires. This is called secondary winding. Both side of this we supply first side primary winding which give the input voltage, input AC voltage. So either it is high or low, it depends upon the situation. Input AC supply, here we get the output of AC supply. Now come to the main point. That is the principle. That we stop it from the article. Principle of transformer. Where it works. Principle of the transformer is electromagnetic induction. It based on the electromagnetic induction, because whenever you supply the AC voltage at the one end of the transformer, okay, the AC supply is the alternating supply. Alternating मतलब इसके साइकिल होंगे प्लस और माइनस. यहाँ पे वायर कांस्टेंट है, यहाँ पे और जो आयरन कोर that is also constant, यहाँ पे secondary winding भी constant है. They are not moving, but the supply in this is having a cycle plus or minus. When there is a plus or minus in the electrical in the supply, having a cycle to the supply, and it is laminated with the iron core, it produces a flux inside the core. This is called the core of the transformer. So here the flux phi produced because of the law of electromagnetic induction. That is the principle of the transformer. This flux now move inside the core. It will move inside the core by this direction. When a flux move inside the core, when it passes the secondary winding, it produces a EMF, electromagnetic force there. EMF means voltage. जब फ्लक्स उसके साथ लिंक होगी तो वोल्टेज और फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस करेगी. EMF इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस. EMF का मतलब होता है एक तरह की वोल्टेज. तो यहाँ पे ये वोल्टेज प्रोड्यूस करेगी एंड आउटपुट एंड पे हमारे पास फिर AC वोल्टेज आ जाएगी. नाउ इट डिपेंड अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स. अगर यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स हमने बढ़ाने हैं या कम करने हैं तो बढ़ाना और कम करना ही हमारा क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा, लो एंड हाई लेवल. That is the basic concept of the transformer. We will discuss the next article.